Dr. Chuks Anyanwu. I'm your Forex coach and instructor. So guys, this morning I just want to teach you how to place pending orders. You know, a number of my students, a number of traders out there don't know how to place, pending orders. Okay, so I've curated these charts, and did the necessary markups. Okay, to just show us briefly how to place pending order. But before I do that, let me just explain this trade idea to you guys, okay, so that you understand. But guys, we're looking at Euro AUD, okay? Now this chart is on the 4-hour chart, okay, and my directional bias is long, okay? And the reason is because I did my analysis from top down. I was able to identify the trend structure, okay? And the trend structure for me is bullish, okay? So if you go to higher time frame, if the other higher time frame, say daily or weekly time frame, you'll see that this market is uptrending, okay? And so I'm in the right place if I'm looking for a buy opportunity. And so those buy setups are what I looked for, and found one on the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, I saw that the market did this structure here. And this, for you guys that understand what chart patterns are, you know that this is a double bottom chart pattern, okay? And the double bottom chart pattern is a bullish reversal candlestick pattern, okay? And so I expect that the market should tap into here again after tapping in the first one, okay? If it happens, fine, okay, my trade will be triggered. This limit order will be triggered, okay? And so that is a buy limit, okay? So I expect this test and retest to happen here, okay? So that if price pushes, taps into this price level, my buy limit order will be triggered, okay? And okay, so the other limit order set here is a buy stop order, okay? Just in case this one did not trigger and the market decides to push up, okay? When it gets to this price level, let it trigger a buy stop order, for me. So here we have buy limit order and buy stop order. The other elementary aspect of this limit orders or this pending orders, guys, just go to my website or my YouTube channel. You will see some videos I did on pending orders, okay? I will not be able to go over those again because of time. I don't want this video to get too long, okay? So guys, what we're looking at here is we want to place a buy limit order at this price level, okay, for this particular currency pair. Okay, so what you do is this: you come down to new order, okay? Now from here, you choose your lot size, okay? Let's assume I want to trade with 2 micro lot size, okay? And I want to place my pending order. So you have to come and select the market type. Okay, by default, market execution, that is instant order, is selected. So you have to come here and change it to pending order, okay? So now what type of pending order do you want to place? Okay, here we are looking for buy limit pending order. So this is the buy limit pending order, and at what price is it? Is at 1.7494. Okay, so you come here and change that price level. So you put here, you enter 1.7, okay, 494, okay, 494. Okay, so this is where you enter this price that is here. All right, you enter the price here. Okay, so you look at other parameter and setting in the field and be sure you're okay. So if you want to place the stop loss and take profit, you come here. This is a stop loss price field, okay, and our stop loss here is what? Is 1.7458, okay? So you come here and type 1.74, all right, 58, all right? So this is where you put the stop loss, and the take profit is here. Now, for this trade, we're also targeting this TP, all right? So you come here and put what? 1.7 what? 1.780 what? 06, okay? So you've entered all the parameters required for this trade entry. All the fields are properly filled out, okay? So guys, you review it again and be sure that is where you want to be on this trade, okay? So after that, you just come here and hit the place button, okay? You hit the place button, boom, and the pending order has been set, okay? All right, so that is for buy limit order. So now let us take the buy stop order. Now remember, for a buy stop order, price is below the price level, okay, of that pending order. So you need to understand. And for the buy limit, price is above the limit order. Okay, so you need to understand all these terms, okay, properly. All right, so let's go to place the buy stop. So the buy stop there's so many ways you can do it. Okay, you can just right click here and select trading and come to new order. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's use this other approach. So just right click on your chart and select trading, okay, and come to what new order. Okay, now when you do that, remember you have to change the type to buy stop. Okay, you come here, change the type of trade to pending order. From pending order, you select the type of order, which is what? Buy stop. All right, buy stop order. All right, so you now come here, fill in the other parameters. So for your stop loss, for this buy stop, the stop loss is 1.7583. Okay, 1.7583. Okay, so the take profit is the same take profit, because I make sure I maintain a minimum risk to reward ratio of 2 to 1 minimum. Okay, now so we have here, okay, for this it's about 3 to 1 risk to reward ratio. It's minimum of 3 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so now we have here for our take profit as 1.7806. Okay, for the take profit. So for the stop loss, this is what the stop loss is here. Okay, so you come here and put it, that is the SL2. You come here and put the stop loss order. Okay, and that's exactly what we have. I've imputed that price order. Okay, so you check your parameter, check the field, and be sure that you're okay. All right, here at what price are you placing this limit? You're placing it at 1.7624. Okay, so you come and put 1.76 what 24. All right, good. So check your parameters again, be sure that that's what you want. Okay, now for this I want to increase my lot size to 5 micro lots. Okay, because I am confident that if price is able to get to this price level, which means I've seen a very deep push, very deep rally into this market direction. And so I'm confident that if it happens, the market is going to continue to move up. All right. So that's why I want to increase my lot size for this particular trade. Okay. So you come here and hit the place button. Boom. Okay. Come here, hit the place button. Okay, so what's going on? Hit the place button. Okay, I'm sure the network is open price you said must differ from the market price of at least. Okay, so we have to look at this again. Okay, so let's take this again. Okay, this is where the price is, and here this is where our order is. So the stop loss order is what? It didn't enter because some of these parameters are wrong. Okay, so let's come and look at the price. It's supposed to be at what? It's supposed to be at 1.7624. So we didn't put that here. We need to put the price 1.7 what? 76224. It's because we didn't put the buy stop order price, and that's why this trade did not trigger. Okay, so we've done that and we hit the place button. Boom. Okay, so you've entered. All right, so guys, this is a short video and I wanted to go beyond this length. Okay, so now summary that we now know how to place pending, the various types of pending order that we have: the buy limit pending order and the buy stop pending order. Okay, and what other thing? I also explained my trade idea, how I arrived at this directional bias for this trade setup. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, on my YouTube channel, just come and hit the thumbs up button to like the video, all right, and make comments. Okay, if there's anything you want to learn that you didn't quite understand, please hit me up in the comment section. Okay, if you want to attend my academy for your beginner class and your intermediate class, please also hit me up. Okay, and I'll give you the very interesting, very pocket friendly prizes that we have for our training. Okay, all right guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video and do have a blessed day. Bye bye. God bless you.